model, 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 313 2.2 CDI fridge Luton chassis box van recovery no VAT. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 310352. MOT, the 17th of September 2025. Engine, 2143 CCM 651,129 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starting to drive exactly as it should. Nice, strong, reliable, powerful 6-speed manual Mercedes Sprinter fridge unit works fine. Will make a great recovery truck or do what you want with it, up to you. No VAT to pay whatsoever. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition.